What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Alms, back again with another video. Obviously I've shown you guys a few sides of me already. You've seen the gaming, you've seen the traveling. Now I'm gonna peep into the fact that I'm a little bit of a sneakerhead. You understand what I'm saying? So we got a little unboxing video for you. Nike had a crazy Valentine's Day sale, so I had a couple of ones and twos. But yeah, before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for the page. Leave a comment behind, let me know what you think of the trainers. Let's get straight into it. Last year I didn't really get to cop a lot of trainers. Got to get my hands on the Jordan 4 Fondas and the Jordan 3 copper Fondas. So certy drops, really did love them. But with the reimagined Jordan 4 breads dropping, I thought, let me go ahead and do a little throwback. So what I went and did was actually cut the reimagined Jordan 1s in the Royals. Now off rip, the box is 10 out of 10. I'm actually liking the box a lot. I wasn't a fan of these when they first dropped. The pictures didn't do them justice. I'll be so honest, I was not feeling them. So let's unbox them and have a look now. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that's interesting. These look way better in person than they do online. I'm gonna be so honest with you, I was not feeling these online at all. The material is actually just the same as the Jordan 4s that I just showed. However, online the material did look kind of cheap. We've got a thick, very thick ankle motion here on the go. The blue is a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be also. So I actually had the Royals, the original Royals, a few years back when I was in my reseller era. So obviously I got those gone, so to actually have these as a pair for Percy is insane. Now price wise, listen, Nike had a sale on top of a sale, but they was doing 29% off, which they actually are still doing, so you can grab these for 120. But I actually got a further 25% off and got these for £91. So these for £91, yo, you can't go wrong. I'm not even mad, like at all. I'm gonna do a fit check. Obviously I'm gonna show you guys how to rock these as well, and see if I've got anything inside the wardrobe to bust down a fit. But I actually don't think I have anything that matches this blue. But yo, shout out Jordan 4 breads, because I wouldn't have cut them, I wouldn't have cut these without them dropping. I'll be so honest, I only hit the reimagined line because those were dropping again. I did really enjoy the Jordan 3s. That cement kind of drop that they had was crazy on the reimagined. That was actually really nice. For the other pair, I grew up to me a timeless classic. Now, all of the man them knows about the TNs, man. You know what I'm saying? So these are the AIRMAX Plus 3s. Cut it in the black and wolf grey drip. Yeah, fire. These are fire. Now these are old but gold, so those that know me know I love me a pair of these, you know what I'm saying, and I wanted a pair, but these are like maybe 2-3 years old right now, this colorway. So full price is crazy to me. So it's like I said, with Nike having that sale the other day, like 25% off, these got these for £131. I'll take that, I'll take that. They weren't about to get me for the 175, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. What, 130s? Yeah, perfect. So I got these in the 9.5 and I got these in the 10. Reason being, man them know it's all about comfort when you're talking teens. Now these shoes, these are a pay homage shoes, you know what I'm saying? When I grew up, my cousin, my brother, everybody was rocking teens, you know. It just makes me think 2008 again, you know. 2005, 2006, them kind of years there. Not so I'm excited to wear these. So these were originally what I was going to wear around Romania. But after seeing how nice these are, I don't actually know. I think I'm still gonna have to go for the TNs for the comfort. But yeah, we'll check it out. Like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. All of it helps, you know, help boost the page, get out to other people so we can share the content. Don't forget, I'm gonna link the Discord, join the Discord, you know, be part of the community, lock in with your boy, find me on Twitch streaming. GTA is back, so we got some GTA RP going on, so feel free to lock in, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, no, I appreciate you guys tapping in. Also, I'm gonna have some shots of the shoes, doing some spins and joints in different locations in the crib. But yeah, man, manners and respect.